There are two magical words. Thank you. After every video of mine, मैं आपको thanks देता हूँ for being with me, for listening to me, and in course, if you are following even a word of mine. ये word जो है, two magical words. Thank you. आपको नहीं लगता है कि इसमें एक मैजिक है, अजीब सा एक मैजिक है जो आपको आपके सेल्फ को बहुत स्ट्रोंगली प्रोजेक्ट करता है. इन अ वे इट प्रोजेक्ट्स योर एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स ग्रैटिट्यूड. ग्रैटिट्यूड के तरफ आपका जो एक एंगल है वो थैंक यू में नज़र आता है. यू आर थैंकफुल टू द वर्ल्ड. You are thankful to everything that is happening to you. You are thankful to whatever that you are receiving. You are thankful to whatever you are getting from the surrounding, from the world. But problem कहाँ है? मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. You thank your people. ऑफिस में हैं, you thank your senior, you thank your subordinates. आप सड़क पे चल रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ होता है. यू थैंक यू गाइज व्हेन समबडी कम्स आउट टू हेल्प यू और समबडी गिव्स यू समथिंग विच प्लीजेस यू. बट हैव यू एवर थैंक्ड योरसेल्फ? कभी अपने आप को आपने थैंक बोला है? शाम में जब आप सारे कोर्स करने के बाद घर लौटते हैं, और अ प्रोफेशनल आई एम सेइंग, जो घर में हैं उनके लिए भी है कि पूरा दिन आप गुजार लेते हो एंड एवरीथिंग हैपनिंग वेरी पॉजिटिव. सारी चीज़ें आपके हिसाब से हो रही हैं, सारी चीज़ें बहुत तरीके से हो रही हैं, बहुत प्लेजर मिल रहा है, हैप्पीनेस मिल रहा है. तो आपको नहीं लगता है कि एक सेकंड के लिए खुद को थैंक यू बोल दें? टू द सेल्फ which has given you this pleasure, the self which has made you achieve those things which you were aspiring all through over the day or over the years or all through your life. एक बार थैंक्स बोलने में क्या जाता है? आप हर को थैंक्स बोलते हैं बिकॉज आपको लगता है हम थैंक्स बोलेंगे आई हैव अ गुड इमेज. बट क्योंकि अगला जो है वो कहेगा कि ही इज़ वेरी वेरी डिसेंट पर्सन, ही एक्नॉलेजेस एंड ही इज़ अ पर्सन हु takes a very positive attitude towards things when I give him something, a gift or something in return. But जो गिफ्ट आपको अंदर से मिल रहा है उसको थैंक्स तो बोलो बॉस. वो तो अंदर से कह रहा होगा ना कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन ही इज ही, whom I have given everything in life, every positive vibes, and today if he is there it is because of me, because of those positive vibes or the positive lines which I have shown him. एक बार थैंक्स बोल दो. आपने उसको रियलाइज़ कर लिया, रिजरेक्ट कर लिया, थैंक बोलने में क्या जाता है? Gratitude which makes your life simpler. कहते हैं ना, क्या जाता है बॉस किसी को थैंकफुलनेस शो करने में? क्योंकि आपको कुछ मिला तो आप रिटर्न दे रहे हैं. तो आपको जब सेल्फ से मिला तो don't you think that you should have that attitude of gratitude for that self which has made you and brought you to this stage that you are there? Have positive things, man. Negativity से उसने आपको दूर रखा, positive feels दिए. Don't you think that you are thankful to yourself? Be thankful to yourself. The moment you start thanking yourself, I tell you, the morning you get up, say, okay, fine, this is the day I'm going to start. And the end of the day, you say, thanks. I had a very nice day. Even if you have certain problems, you try to go inside, delve into, try to find out why it happened, and the self will give you a solution to it. The moment you get a solution, say thanks. That is gratitude, which philosophers, thinkers, social, I'm not talking about the social psychologists because they mean something. I'm talking about those who are on the social media, who have been talking about gratitude, attitude, and all those stuff. How to make your life better with this word. What I am saying is, if you have a strong self, if you're thankful to yourself, if you thank yourself every day, every evening when you return back to life, just a second of yours thanking yourself, self gets pleased, man. You yourself will feel that for the next day you are ready to run and do what you want. Because what is gratitude for that matter? Thanking and accepting what you have and being happy, or for that matter, accepting and enjoying whatever you have achieved or whatever you have, rather than what you don't. That keeps you stable. Okay, run for the you're running in a race and you got to achieve and you have a target to meet. That's a different thing altogether. But that also comes when you have a self, when you thank yourself for every second what it has given you. And I tell you, that self of yours will make you so strong that you will achieve what you aspire. This is the two words, thank you. Tomorrow I'll be talking on another word which is again as magical as this. That is sorry.